In this video, I'm going to be covering the Samsung S24 Ultra best settings for gaming. So, in this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe are important settings that you should change or tweak before you play games on your S24 Ultra. These should give you the best performance and the best looking game possible. So, of course, start with basic stuff. Make sure that the display is set to Quad HD+, the highest resolution that there is available. And with this done, the next thing that is built natively into your Samsung device that really helps with gaming is the Gaming Hub. This allows you to have all of your games in one specific app, but most importantly, when you go into a game, your phone will be tweaked. And it is going to prioritize the gameplay experience, so it is going to stop pouring resources into unused or unnecessary background services, and it's going to focus everything into running that game. With the Gaming Hub enabled, the next thing that I recommend is to go over to the display settings and look for motion smoothness. This is what Samsung calls the refresh rate of the phone. If you have a gaming monitor, you know the difference that 120Hz or more can make. If you set it to adaptive when you are doing something with high intensity, such as playing a game, the game will run at 120Hz. And it is going to feel much smoother. So always use adaptive. It is going to consume a little bit more battery, but it is absolutely worth it for gaming. With these changes done, you can also go into the Game Booster settings. So when you open the Gaming Hub, you will have Game Booster. You can set the game optimization to performance, so it runs extremely well. You can customize individual games, which I'm also going to showcase, and you can double check that the smoothness is set to 120Hz again. With all of this changed, if you choose a specific game, in this example Asphalt, you can choose between performance, balanced, or battery saver. So if you want the most amount of FPS possible, choose performance. Control the FPS, the screen resolution, and frame booster. Make sure that you save these settings, and the Gaming Hub will boost your game the next time you run it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.